Thank God it's Friday. I bet PM next a weekend and I prepare home but press up at the around weekend. Me mo akwa my Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so. World of entertainment. The chagwo, the fata woni ni usum no. Jadi bi esomo e wa hase. Me de Sandra Oheme ama tiwa. Opemswana na enemy. Adwuma nyame Adom entertainment am Ghana for hwere mu a.
We need start sending her. Where the jayo or your guy? Sister Sunday be a guy. We a guy.
2 times a guy. Guy is mienu. More piao. Ye, Kofi a say na eremwe. Isaac was say. Many abema on na eremwe or chess and kai we can yen cook mass because baby I do was a crew. And I'm say Kofi. Maybe you will be sanyum yechina. You will be sanyum to queen a queen tina go visit your go mass your queen. Lama no pe vero ya chia oni keep course fugi na fanta ya chia mu na why young consum no eso. Shatta Wale den cry ma Donald Trump. Na mesomene hwan se me ma Donald Trump asonte. One te kura na picture da so nko age. Obenya translator a kire mu ne yeka.
Oh, be the konkonsa.
Yemi na media Shatta na yeka sei. Eti wadaroma President of the United States of America, Donald Trump. Good morning, sir. This is Sandra. I'm an entertainment journalist working with Multimedia Group Limited, Akan Brands. Adom TV, to be precise. I'm just the messenger, and here is the message, sir.
This is Shatta Wale, the #1 artist in Ghana that supports the youths. And I try to create employment myself in my own way. That's why I have a Shatta Movement Empire. My Shatta Movement Empire, we support each other like a Freemason empire or like a Freemason society. I beg of you, whatever decision you have taken about Ghana, I don't know about other African countries, but you see Ghana, you have to ban them. Most of them, they use student visas as an option to get visa to come to America. Then they'll come and be doing baller work. Baller work means they'll come and be cleaning. They'll come and be doing some job. They are the people that is causing you the havoc in America. Ghanaians, they are not even needed in America. Ghanaians. Those ones that are there, you can leave them there. Those ones that are there, they have sense. They are used. But don't give anybody visa again from Ghana. American embassy. Most of the artists that you see that come to the embassy, they come there and come and collect papers for people. And they come and do, this is my singer, this is my dance man, this is my...
Bubu chemwa mami chrome for visa. Na so wa help me doc. And cry na din kumas na di ko chrome a kwakura asase kakraka una na bi e wa asase kodokoko no kotu bayire kotu bode na se aduane ho ya ye din won kran na no me koto kokko 100 ma me hwemanim na okan for ma me na hu se no me komi chrome asante achema gogo se me hwese me hene ebetimi ama masase kura akota nana me fan no don fuo because yeah bra wan kran ha enti yasa me ma visa we no minima de konsa was obufu ada paso wa America e better sen Ghana oh hwe snow pe ene chen Ghana ye wo kuku ye wadam we box site na say awonti na pese okọ US odofo bra ha behwe awo wum papa enre nsu otoye wotimi dai awo hu hia yesi ti wo se me nkwa we me ma abumfu start frefre okrum sase bi wo ho akododo but when say so now so they ask for like unza ko bi wo ho student visa pese okosua de na mokwa amente mo asentu ba say school se wo Ghana so nya papa na ana uche me mpanifuo no mbi na aye kuro ne sa ho mpanifuo na ho ne ye nkwa na ai mpanifuo pa mani mwede wa ye betinam ye betie say you say face dollar no bo hu as dollar no one cedi $1 oh momonsem ye be ka kra bi mo say bi me change that freedom the freedom yanto so Okyeame Kwame Jumtuni wa going over 20 something years opemswana na ene no wo chemu a onya dyslexia Busia. Yari na mihu na mbisa no wela o make up was ya bon the same. Sabi ni so ko school no wabon wasa na yari menim da. Till so Okyeame Kwame ka asemi na mekoye ho investigation. Mekoye ho fifi mu na mehu se sa wo mo ana o ma bon wo school o mo hwe ni nyina no. Aya yare ye friend no dyslexia. And I'm at spelling here DY SLEXIA dyslexia. Na ye chemu a me fifi mu che say ebetimi genetic. O ma me abon a wutimi bon. Wo sini mpon wa bon a wutimi bon. Enti na pa me che awofo nom se enkwala ma me na enka say. O baby ko school no wa bon wa enfo ani brain so an so eye wo bon na akora na inherit eye genetics. Sana Okyeame Kwame si wo so no wubi. But the good news about me hwehwemu a me ya about ya rewe ne kire say enkwala na o ma bon no nyame o hata show ye nyame nso nti no sa enkwala no they have a special talent in IT computer or more special talent say adwuma ya ye entertainment ni ade no enti no say o wo sa ya re no wa bon wa men for cinema ni enkan ABCD for cinema ni ntro hwehwe talent na o nature sene na Okyeame Kwame nyame apagya na o ye global star no kwala ma bon wa no pay mi hyemu nkran wa bon but you have a talent look for the talent what I say obi a say yare mama me ha mama na abon wanya bi ti no semni ngina ni ti awa eno no Okyeame na kan ti no awofo no mun taking it easy wo bon na akola na bon why ye nto ansem no so me wo ho Sandra me wo ho wo yesa odo hu manya me pe na obi abedi konkonsa na no kofi asa na ka wo yesa wo jan sanom pe na obi ewu me wo hwa me de me ho ama esafo erade because praise be nyame sofo ne makasa se mame eye twitwa konkonsa ne so TV so papa de me yedidie ni de ade twia me ka yesa me mfifin semu meka ne ntwia meka me pon dia papa sofo me ni obi ani asem me pon kra kasa ye medin ti me sofo ye na me so me ye ho fast na me twa so presa mejai na mo bubo punum sister Sandy Hajia Bintu awo Haji sana me bisa asa danko ye den me bisa say Hajia Bintu oye den
o be di konkonsa
me adawo man na de me sofo facha me bidi me bisa asa branch e bi oye den same thing na me bisa say Hajia Bintu oye den our Ghana entertainment industry ye wom asai se wo ho na ba ye bi pie na niema ne to sosunti automatically Ghana ne wo ba ye celebrity and she did well because na tuna so no or the could be a page e wo social ne so maninya followers enu na ene wiase ye fe no influencer nti the question na me bi say oye den na me yi me ho ano say oye influencer hallelujah bonsem yen preach bonsem yen preaching Jesus yen preaching na ehho no ana obeye influencer ni nti no wa beye public figure na emu no ana o numbers doors one kofo fifi wonsem odofo yegina ha yeni ahoto ade eche obi peso hu de sister Sandy date why na sister Sandy ware no sister Sandy o man onimma hello or say hi obi afifi mu sa na adwumanete obi a peso hu de wo utwotwomucho unya de hu piepe na epe wonsem wadofo age so ma me say hallelujah ehho na baaya no efa efro na odi ne ho kame na odi ho sie na social media konkonsan adokron kwala a omuni bibiye ade achi omu fifin kofo nsem no apai life ehho ena social fo no etimi adokwa akoma ko hu se sister no wawo
o be di konkonsa
bom no wawo ye da radi ase na konkonsa ni no message ode ba ye ni na me sisupi me sha obodofo se we ye ne hu nipa eye hwo nipa ansa wate pesa abaya na wo na odi ne hu sie wo wie fe bibi postpartum depression wutimi fam we anya dofo bi won chen etimi boredom na adane depression na abaya na wo na odi ne hu sie na konkonsani a wadosoro a wo abaya ne ncha wo fa ho adamfo wotimi be send a message di konkon sa kire wi ase say Hajia Bintu has given birth, but the problem is she doesn't know who the father of the baby is. She tried giving it to Rob Definition over Wise and some Nigerian guy. They are all running away. Ah. Brrr. Hey! Tie ne tie konkonsani ti me. Obe bie ni ho a wawo a onim ne ba papa. Why are you doing this? Ebi mo kwa awo so mo wu. Ebi mo kwa awo so. So uni ma awo no enye na for mo. Enye izo. Unsi otimi bu. Efa wanu mpe osinyi na etutu. Eya asedek. Eti mo ye ndi kan fast da mera de se waswe abaya no e wa asomdwem. Kawe eye news. Obi abompa ye kure peba wonya. Sabita frache abaya na anye so obeyi egu. Abortion amanichim wawo. Obi awo fresh. Mo pesa mo tete no. Why? Especially man mutually no. Ah. Him sani awote oho. You want to throw her, obi awo fresh. Adena mo yesa. Enti wawo yes, wona abehwa akwala no. Wonim ne ba papa, wona abeto dai pa ma no. Ye ntwitwa so. And congratulations to Hajia Bintu. Na maame usu tie ha. Aden de ebo fa ne abo afa. Ade kwanti a omode target wo se woni mo ba papa ye we lifestyle bia. Wo live ye wo social ne so. Someone say mo influence my mo say mo bibia da montene so. Kofo a oni omu pie wo ntade shem se ne agina social ye wo to say na no kra se bi wo beton wadra. Wo so wo de hye ho ne be ma de mu kye ne yade. Sa wo ne ma no. Eno na ama social fo nso eye wo sa. Na say why a mother ufiri mu pia ube live your life here not for anybody but for the fact say obani bengini abehwe ne ma we ye social no so for the fact say obani be ko school let her or him be proud say me ma ne Hajia Bintu jeme so hallelujah busua ene trosem ye yi Deuteronomy 3:16 menim de o ken kan ma me ye de besi ti we nge news awe o samu be trolling no na. Wow, come on. We'll be word. Postpartum depression is real. Take it easy on her, all right? Dosi ne kai love and light. Oh, Dosi. More gang, you know. More metimi achechira ba ya bi nsegu ne chefe na aida. Mo mu wie my love and light. Mo ndi kan so kanea o mo na mo sa asem no. Me to me bona ma ba ho. Adwada. Asem bia ba ye se aida ni olisto bi. Me to me bo aye me mfifi because ma tekra se olisto no. Epeso osesiu abaya no. Oh, yes, when you get there, say you soon. Dan ka akra to fifi we. Sister Ida, see you mo. Obe ma akwala we echinjimo. Meba police station, you say acho. Meba beji wanu masem. Why? Ejuada medokwa ko. But for now, you block Stonebwoy. For now, dear. Mo homi wo cake asem ne so. Ya block abwai. A whole abwai. Ya blocking. Until say that Sunday, ma see me who wants to say me o block me say kwa nya me ya because Stonebwoy kwa ya blocking. Tell na sister Sandy ma block me pepper ya block Stonebwoy. Me cry ya block me because nipa ne door so esa me hu omo. Block me. Say ayi. Asamwe jan. Baby jet. Wa block ya boy. Ye nim de bai. Ye ni ho ne phone nkra ye nim ne password. Ye ni ni page. De ye ya blocking je nim. Ba bra no e na ja o kan simbi. Odo fo tie bi ma me ba sisi a.
I have a lot of big brothers I respect a lot. Of course, respect is the thing. But those that I've been close with and I'm still close with, you know, I have Adebayo as one of those. Yeah, and definitely Asamoah Gyan has been a big brother from time. I've hardly heard from him lately. I think the last time I checked, I was blocked. I don't know, but I don't know. But that wouldn't be the first time. You know, the last time.
Rich Momeda was to say wakan me aba so biem. Asem de show bi ahwenani. Wo hwe nani, wo person hu se bibia show bi ahwenani straight. Aye me nuane ya. So no global star with me blocking no, but as usual, netizens say craft phone work credit. Say no more trotro. Yenko kan bimra. King Kai. Or say you did something bad to him because you guys were cool by then. John can't just wake up and block you. You are a hypocrite. And everyone knows that. Oh, no, why anymore? Now then, I will call school once you announce verbs. Once you be. I am more kasa. Mamu yusu we day. Kasa me. Oh, kasa won't you who film kasa. Why wine anymore? Say everybody, men care everybody no. Only one bush yan anymore. I am somebody, I am not everybody. Thank you. Obisa Shamadi, come and collect your stone. Akosietiwa, Medimpa na yese. And Obitra said you disrespected him after he paid for your leg surgery. Hey. Oh. So don't pretend that you don't know the reason. Hey. Samoja necha. Stonebwoy 9. Sa. Neda na who saw disrespecting. Oh, but so be uncle chia when I did. Come block you sao. Nah, see me see a shim. Would you block what you cry, what you two face, ni part to sell pretender face it. First class pretend Now then a Stonebwoy so we are again a pretender hypocrite na two face nyadi. Hey, you say when I a fan of Bim, the buy. Obviously, you play them low key and come out to pretend as if there's nothing. Shift. We are very busy. Obviously, I beg shift. Why? And obviously, for someone to block you, you need to sit down and reflect on gracefulness is a disease. Hey. Richmond besides a kokora ne baya. Why? Na me numbi and me home because I said, "Wait, them is I be because so as a moja ne chia Stonebwoy 9. And was some way as I block his Stonebwoy. Caswa for more. Mofa quine swa, make candots boom my fa. Mofa quine swa, hill and so was some way and feel. Boom, you tag the edge more joy news. Rem. Why? More is le go home sono. I want to say, where ye? Is le go hono. Once a man yaman, Dr. Louisa. Mosomo mfa ho na mumisa no mame why mu nyina mo keke hia mo famre me why me mom de me kodi koko na bibia ni amehia mo wow happy birthday great one Ghana edo yento aswe ade achi bia bibi wo ye di konkonsen wi sre kakra me ba sema ejanom in fact ko bi bo me ejanom Debia me can I am one directive father. I am have me can because me personally I have a very sweet father. Personally, I have a very dope dad. And that alone, shall me say, papa nom bo mo homodin. And time to time, I mo. Aye, debia ain't me hype mother sinja papa nom because papa na mo edwuma mother enfair fru. Unza, mo papa nom na me enfair ain't see. Na yan wishi enua be ma ba ko. O say so kai no. Isaac Nyame just online. Isaac I'm proud of you, bro. Happy birthday, Isaac Nyame. When it's just online now, Uchichani Mago, send 3K. Yamin Sharpa. Yam fancy. Richmond, I'm a director. Na make I was watching Adom 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Shiame Busanyom so. Bisanyom. Now the girls be years, the boys you hung in I am. I'm watching arenas and Eba. And to share a platform for upcoming arts. Or talent there UTP social mo social and so send them ade so watch na 7 p.m. live with me join you Zoom show na che ya brand NG and ya nije nko Richmond. Thank you so much for directing Kobe. I am a sound engineer and Kobe big up yourself straight up bubuha why niembon nyame ya adoma ye be shia Isaac say Thomas Uncle Thomas and Daniel omungina cinematographers and then Lizzie I will make up department on a touch of kumbi. Omungina wo ho musiesi ho. Kama. MCR, thank you. I'm the guy's queen. I will be back on Monday. Guys, 2 times a guy. Makra ebe shortna.